Hey, what's up guys? This is your girl Tracy with Tracy's World, and today I'm here to bring you another SoBarRistic drink. So get your pen and paper ready to write down these ingredients, and you too can make a SoBarRistic drink from the comfort of your own home.
Like this.
Listen, I am so excited about today's drink. You cannot go wrong with the margarita. So we're gonna make a really simple margarita, and I'm telling you, you're gonna enjoy it. Wait, let me go ahead and give you a little bit of time to go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, and if you haven't subscribed, now would be a good time to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Oh, and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you can know when we post a new video. Okay, I think we're all ready. So we're gonna keep the ingredients really simple today. We're gonna use 2 ounces of Seedlip, the garden flavor. I got this at Benny's. We're gonna use 1 tablespoon of honey, and we're gonna use 1/2 ounce of the Skinny Mix's Margarita mix. I got this margarita mix at Ross, but they have it all over. You can order it online. They have it at Ross. Sometimes they have it at Marshall's and all of those stores. So just look for it. All right, so we're keeping it simple. And of course, we're going to add that ice in there. So let's get started. So I am going to double my ingredients just so that I can make a serving of 2 instead of a serving of 1. But if you're only serving yourself and you're probably using a smaller glass than what I'm going to use, then of course you follow the measurements that were previously given, but I'm going to double mine right now. So I'm just putting in the Seedlip, and this is the garden flavor. Now I'm going to grab my Skinny Mix's Margarita mix. I purchased it for $3.99 at Ross. And I'm going to add that. The Skinny Mixes are only 5 calories. They do not have any, it does not have any sugar, so I love it. Now we're going to take some honey and put 1 tablespoon. I'm actually going to do 2 because I'm doubling the ingredients. And just to let you guys know, I did get this recipe off of the Seedlip website. I did substitute things that I wanted to substitute, which mainly was the agave syrup. Instead of agave syrup, I'm using honey, and instead of lime juice, I'm actually using the margarita mix, but you can also use lemon juice, lime juice, you know, whatever your preference is. I'm gonna add some ice. I always add my ice last because it gives that nice little fizz at the top when you do your shaking. So I just got that from someone off of a mixologist off of YouTube, actually. Making sure everything's secure. All right, we're about to shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. This is the fun part of it all. I'm gonna shake for about 35 to 45 seconds because the honey does take a while to mix. Doesn't that look good? You see what the ice does when you add it at last. It really creates that nice little, you know, fizz at the top. Now, of course, I'm gonna, get my presentation together. So I'm cutting a lime right now. Got my salt ready. Salt the rim of the glass. So I'm just gonna take the lime, go around the rim, and then I'm probably gonna go a little crazy with the salt on this one because I just want it to look good. And I love the contrast with the lime and the salt, so that's just my preference. And there we have our beautiful glass. Okay, what are we missing? Oh, we gotta put the ice. We gotta get some ice in that glass. So let me pause and put some ice in there first. 1 minute. There you go. I'm gonna pour it up. Oh, that looks so good. I can't wait to taste this. I think we need to do a little bit more garnishing. So I think I'm gonna put a slice of lime or lime wheel, slice of lime, and then a lime wheel around the glass just to make it look pretty. I love pretty drinks. Cheers. Okay guys, so now is the moment of truth. This is my favorite part of making the drinks, is to taste the drinks, okay? This looks so good. I can't wait to taste it. Oh my gosh. Listen, I'm sorry if there's any salt on my mouth. All I can tell y'all is this is so good. Oh my gosh. Listen, y'all. You have to make this. This is gonna be a bomb Taco Tuesday drink from now on. Like Taco Tuesday is this. This every Tuesday. I'm telling you, every Tuesday I'm doing this with my tacos. Like, you wouldn't even know that there's no alcohol in this. Like, this tastes like a bomb margarita, okay? Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Listen, when you drink this, it says good things will happen. You ain't got to worry about a designated driver. We ain't got to worry about a hangover the next day. You ain't got to worry about none of that because this right here don't even have a drop of alcohol in it. You can drink as many as you want. I mean, it is so SoBarRistic. Oh, so SoBarRistic. This is good. I'm telling you, every Taco Tuesday from here on out, I'm serving these. Good things will happen. I am serving these every Taco Tuesday. These are guilt-free drinks. Like, you could drink as many as you want to. Y'all, this was SoBarRistic. telling you. If there's any recipes, any type of drinks you want me to make, please make sure to comment and let me know, and we'll work on it and we'll get it done. Listen, if you have made this drink or any of the other drinks, please go to our Instagram page, SoBarRistic, and tag us in your photos. We will repost. And make sure you follow us on Instagram, okay? This has been your soberologist, Tracy with Tracy's World, and I hope you really enjoyed today's show, and I really hope you enjoyed the drink. Listen, all of our drinks are made alcohol-free so that everyone can enjoy. We keep it SoBarRistic. So please continue to follow the channel. Please continue to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. And please flood the comment section because I would really like to hear from you guys, okay? So as always, go out today and be great today. Whatever it is you do, whatever it is you want to do, whatever it is you dream of doing, you can do it. Go out and be great today.